Hey, all of you. Welcome to Real Divine. If you are new here, thank you so much for tuning in for the first time. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. It always means a lot when I see you guys again. Today, I will be giving you guys an honest Kenya Moore hair care review. If you enjoy, if you like me, please subscribe. And if you do not,
hear the music.
our twirl girl Kenya Moore has made some hair care products, and there aren't much reviews on it, so I decided to give it a try. And I want to tell you guys exactly how it is, what's good, what's bad, and what's just not my favorite. Now twirl, twirl, twirl. Let's first start off with talking about her shampoo. Her shampoo definitely got me good, and I'm going to tell you why. I'm in the shower, I wet my hair, I open this up, and that comes out. Literally, like, you would not, I don't care what anybody says, this is an unexpected color. As we all know, her products are no sulfates, no phosphates, and no parabens, which is really good. Color safe, moisturizes natural hairstyles, restores hair extensions. Is pretty different about the shampoo is that it does not set up. Obviously, it's for a good reason, so that it's not stripping moisture out of your hair. See, even though it doesn't set up, I feel like I'm putting shampoo kind of conditioner in my hair, like a co-wash. Like, it feels very moisturizing, so I want you guys to know that. My hair has curled really nicely from a shampoo, her shampoo. So yeah, it doesn't set up, but it has its, what should I say? It has its pros more than cons, because we usually like our shampoo to set up, but look at it not doing that. That looks so good, so pretty. Like, who wants to leave shampoo in their hair? I would never see the day I would say this, but me, right now, I do want to do that. And it's so moisturizing. My hair feels like I put conditioner in it. And it looks like it too, to be honest. And the curls look so pretty, so hot. Gone with the wind, fabulous. And some people don't like their shampoos to set up because it shows that it's more natural and it's better for your hair. So that's pretty good. And out of all the products, I am going to tell you guys my favorite out of them all that just makes me want to twirl everywhere. That will be her conditioner. I freaking love it. This is honestly one of my favorite conditioners. The only letdown, I wish that she would make bigger sizes, to be honest, because it's that good. You get so much moisture and it curls your hair so perfectly. It gets those clunky pretty curls when you put the conditioner in. You brush it out, you comb it out with like a Tangle Teaser or Denman brush. Like, I just love those duos, and this conditioner really hits it on the head, better than a lot of conditioners that are out there, if you know what I mean. Honestly, and then this is the consistency, the conditioner. It's really good, and all her products smell really, really good, you guys. And I got some on my nose, but they smell really good. So this is the shampoo. It clunks up your curls really nicely, and my hair feels super moisturized, especially with it being bleached. It is doing so much better with this conditioner. And look at these clunky curls. So clunky, so cute, so pretty. I just love it, and I'm not going to keep my hair out. I'm about to braid it back up, but I just wanted to show you guys that I love these products so much. And like I said, this conditioner is one of the best conditioners out there. And you really feel like it's restoring moisture in your hair. And the best part, the shampoo doesn't take out moisture or anything. We already just talked about that, so I'm not going to talk about it again. But this is a twirl-rific. A twirl-rific product right here. So I give her 5 stars for this, hands down. The next product that I would like to discuss is her mask, her Reconstructive Growth Mask. This mask is also really good. It reminds me of the conditioner, to be honest, but a mask, and you have to rinse it out, unless, because some people keep their masks in, but if you're following the directions, you will take it out. And it's a creamy color, which is really nice. And since they all smell really good. And the fragrance, it's almost like you have perfume or body spray on, but it's in your hair. Like, that's really good. And I felt a lot of moisture with this. There's no sulfates, no phosphates, no parabens. For longer, stronger, thicker, and 96% less breakage in just one use, which is really good. Great for natural styles, color treated hair, and extensions. So, see, natural style. So you could probably keep it in. And it says, more hair care, reconstructive growth mask, deep repairing treatment, quickly reconstructs, and restores weakened or damaged hair. Its high performance formula is rich oils, proteins, and bamboo water to fortify and reconstruct hair that's been damaged by chemical treatments or heat styling. By infusing protein back into the weakened hair shaft, hair becomes stronger and longer, adds shine and manageability, and increases elasticity, provides color protection. So I highly recommend that if you are, because you know when you do a deep conditioner and you do a deep protein treatment, do not do a protein treatment on the side from this, because it's not only a deep conditioner, but it has protein in it to restore your hair. So I highly recommend that you do not do that at all. That's not a good idea, because too much protein is bad, enough protein is good, if you know what I mean. You don't want to overdo it at all. The last thing that I want to talk about is the hair serum, sadly. And I know there's a hair serum, and actually More Edges, she has something called More Edges, which is really cool, but they weren't at Sally's, which really sucks because I don't get to try them. But hopefully I can try them sometime, and I think the power is about to go out. Hopefully I can try them sometime and let you guys know how it is on like a curly hair day kind of thing. But thank you so much, you guys, for tuning in. I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed day, because you guys are all beautiful people, and this storm is really getting out of hand out here. So I really hope the power does not go out, because that will suck. Anyways, you guys have a great day. I will see you later, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe, please.